Did you know that a single mistake in how you wash your vegetables could lead to serious illness? Just recently, over 100 people in the UK fell sick due to an E. coli outbreak, all because of a common error in food hygiene. The question is, are you sure you're doing it right? Foodborne bacteria like E. coli can have a devastating impact on the human body, particularly targeting the intestines. The symptoms? Severe stomach cramps, bloody diarrhea, and in extreme cases, kidney failure. This particular strain of E. coli can even be deadly. E. coli is particularly dangerous because it's invisible. It doesn't change the look, smell, or taste of the food, making it nearly impossible to detect until it's too late. These bacteria thrive on improperly washed produce, especially leafy greens and vegetables that we often eat raw. So how can you ensure that your food isn't hiding this dangerous enemy? Let's take a deep dive into the proper steps for eliminating harmful bacteria, backed by scientific research and a bit of history to remind us why this matters. The first step in any kitchen is a simple one. Wash your vegetables under cold running water. While this might remove dirt and some pesticide residue, studies have shown that water alone is not enough to remove all bacteria, including E. coli. According to research from the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, running water can reduce some bacterial presence, but it's not effective in eliminating it entirely. That's why it's crucial to use additional methods. A widely recommended practice is soaking your produce in a solution of vinegar and water. 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water can significantly reduce bacterial levels. A study published in the Journal of Food Protection found that vinegar solutions reduce E. coli contamination on lettuce and other leafy greens by up to 90%. Now that's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Yet vinegar isn't the only solution. For a more powerful method, especially in cases where contamination is a concern, sodium hypochlorite, or household bleach, can be used safely. The World Health Organization, WHO, suggests using a solution of 5 milliliters, about 1 teaspoon, of bleach for every liter of water to disinfect vegetables. This method is known to kill 99.9% of harmful bacteria, including E. coli, salmonella, and listeria, ensuring your food is safe to eat. Proper food hygiene doesn't stop with washing produce. Cross-contamination is another major cause of foodborne illness. For instance, the same knife that cut raw meat shouldn't be used on vegetables without thorough cleaning. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, cross-contamination in the kitchen is a leading factor in outbreaks of foodborne illness worldwide. Always ensure your knives, cutting boards, and surfaces are properly sanitized. Historically, foodborne outbreaks due to poor hygiene have had devastating consequences. One infamous example is the 1996 E. coli outbreak in Scotland, which was traced back to contaminated meat from a butcher shop. It caused over 400 illnesses and 21 deaths. A simple failure to sanitize knives and cutting boards between handling raw meat and cooked food led to one of the worst foodborne illness outbreaks in UK history. Similarly, in the United States, the 2006 outbreak linked to E. coli contaminated spinach caused 199 cases of illness and 3 deaths. This led to sweeping changes in how leafy greens are regulated and washed, highlighting just how critical food hygiene is. So what can we learn from these past tragedies and the recent outbreak in the UK? Whether it's a casual salad or a full meal, food hygiene should always be your top priority. Washing your vegetables thoroughly using vinegar or bleach solutions and keeping your utensils and surfaces clean are simple but life-saving steps. Remember, the health of you and your family starts in the kitchen. Don't let an invisible threat like E. coli turn your next meal into a disaster. See you next time.